education, intonation, pronunciation, speak right to the nation. You want to know how? Please ask me now. Diction oracle is yeah. From A to Z, speak beautifully. Diction oracle is yeah. Stress button and stress times rhythm. Diction oracle is yeah. Proper pronunciation, beautiful intonation. Diction oracle is yeah. Diction oracle is right yeah. Diction oracle. Diction oracle. Diction oracle.
I'm only 8 years old, feeling in the blue. I wonder if there's anything I can do. My friends pronounce words wrongly over sound, and when I hear them, those just really make me frown. Lots of sounds that I can do, but the dictionary is here to put you through all the sounds from A to Z, intonation, pronunciation, and stress time rhythm, all made easy, all made easy.
Diction oracle is here. Diction oracle is right here. Diction oracle.
Thanks a lot, Abiola. So, my name is Harry, and I'll be helping second language speakers of English to pronounce words nicely on OMA Professional Services platform. So please listen to the pronunciation of the following words and repeat after me. I'll say each word twice, and then I'll pause so that you can repeat after me. I'll also say each sentence twice so that you can hear the rhythm of my voice, and then I'll pause so that you can again repeat after me. At the end of every 10 words, I'll stop and go over those same 10 words once more so that we can then hear them, and then we'll proceed to the next set of 10 words. So happy learning as we go through these. So let's move to segment 2. The first word, area. Repeat after me. Area. The meaning of that word is a region or a part of a town, a country, or the world. A sentence. Do you know the area where I live? Repeat that after me. Do you know the area where I live? Next word. Arctic. Repeat that after me. Arctic. The meaning of that word is relating to the regions around the North Pole. A sentence. The Arctic is a very cold place. Repeat after me. The Arctic is a very cold place. Our next word, archive. Repeat, archive. This means a collection of historical documents or records providing information about a place, institution, or group of people. An example of this word, I store my documents in an archive. Repeat after me. I store my documents in an archive. Our next word, amoeba. Repeat after me. Amoeba. This is a single-celled animal that catches food and moves about by extending finger-like projection of protoplasm. A sentence. Amoebas can't be seen with the naked eyes. Repeat that after me. Amoebas can't be seen with the naked eyes. Our next word, assume. Repeat that after me. Assume. The meaning of the word assume is something that is supposed to be the case without proof. A sentence. Let's assume we're in London. Repeat that after me. Let's assume we're in London. The next word, 8. Repeat that after me. 8. The meaning? Well, it's the past of eat. For example, I ate bread and egg for lunch. Repeat that after me. I ate bread and egg for lunch. Our next word, attorney. Repeat that. Attorney. This is a person, typically a lawyer, appointed to act for another person in business or legal matters. A sentence? Mr. Matthew is my attorney. Repeat. Mr. Matthew is my attorney. Our next word is apostle. Repeat after me. Apostle. The meaning of this is each of the 12 chief disciples of Jesus Christ. The sentence? James is one of the apostles of Jesus. Repeat that after me. James is one of the apostles of Jesus. Our next word, atheist. Repeat after me. Atheist. The meaning of this is a person who disbelieves or lacks belief in the existence of God or gods. A sentence? Henry's family are devoted atheists. Repeat that after me. Henry's family are devoted atheists. The next word, awry. Repeat after me. Awry. This means away from the usual or expected course. A sentence using that word, the movie turned out awry. Repeat after me. The movie turned out awry. So let's repeat those 10 words. We had area. So now those 10 words again as a reminder. Area, Arctic, archive, amoeba, assume, ate, attorney, apostle, atheist, and lastly, awry.
Diction article. Pronunciation. Speak right to the nation. You want to know how? Please ask me now. Diction article is yeah. From A to Z. Speak beautifully. Diction article is yeah. Stress button and stress times rhythm. Diction article is yeah. Proper pronunciation, beautiful intonation. Diction article is yeah. Diction article is right yeah. Diction article. Diction article. Diction article. Education, intonation, pronunciation, speak right to the nation. You want to know how? Please ask me now. Diction article is yeah. From A to Z, speak beautifully. Diction article is yeah. Stress button and stress times rhythm. Diction article is yeah. Proper pronunciation, beautiful intonation. Diction article is yeah. Diction article is right yeah. Diction article. Diction article. Diction article.
I'm only 8 years old and feeling kinda blue. I wonder if there's anything I can do. My friends pronounce words wrongly over sound, and when I hear them, those really make me frown. Those are sounds that I can do, but the dictionary is here to put you through. all the sounds from R to Z. Intonation, pure pronunciation, and stress time rhythm, all made easy. All made easy.
Diction Oracle is here. Diction Oracle is right here. Diction Oracle. Diction Oracle.
Thanks a lot, Abiola. So my name is Harry, and I'll be helping second language speakers of English to pronounce words nicely on OMA Professional Services platform. So please listen to the pronunciation of the following words and repeat after me. I'll say each word twice and then I'll pause so that you can repeat after me. I'll also say each sentence twice so that you can hear the rhythm of my voice, and then I'll pause so that you can again repeat after me. At the end of every 10 words, I'll stop and go over those same 10 words once more so that we can then hear them, and then we'll proceed to the next set of 10 words. So happy learning as we go through these together. Let's move to segment number 3, our next 10 words. Our first word, apple. Repeat that after me. Apple. This is the round fruit of a tree of the rose family, which typically has thin green or red skin and crisp flesh. A sentence: apples are delicious. Repeat that after me. Apples are delicious. Next word, or. Repeat that. Or. The meaning of the word: a feeling of reverential respect mixed with fear or wonder. A sentence: God's creation is awe-inspiring. Repeat that after me. God's creation is awe-inspiring. Next word, ballet. Repeat that after me. Ballet. This is an artistic dance form performed to music using precise and highly formalized set steps and gestures. A sentence: I can dance ballet. Repeat that after me. I can dance ballet. Our next word, bosom. Repeat after me. Bosom. This is of a friend, very close or intimate. So an example in a sentence: Daniel is my bosom friend. Repeat. Daniel is my bosom friend. Next word, build. Repeat. Build. That is to construct something by putting parts together of material. A sentence: I would love to build my house on a mill. Repeat. I would love to build my house on a mill. Next word, bow. Repeat. Bow. That is the main branch of a tree. An example in a sentence: I sat at the bow of a mango tree. Repeat. I sat at the bow of a mango tree. Our next word, bird. Repeat that. Bird. That is a warm-blooded, egg-laying vertebrate, an animal that's distinguished by its possession of feathers, wings, a beak, and typically by being able to fly. A sentence: I love it when birds sing. Repeat after me. I love it when birds sing. Our next word, bargain. Repeat after me. Bargain. That is a thing that is brought or offered for sale much more cheaply than is usual or expected. So an example in a sentence, the table was a real bargain. Repeat that. The table was a real bargain. Our next word, because. Repeat that. Because. That is for the reason that, or since. A sentence, we did it because we felt it's our duty. Repeat. We did it because we felt it's our duty. Our next word, butcher. Repeat after me. Butcher. That is a person whose trade is cutting up and selling meat in a shop. An example, Daniel's dad is a butcher. Repeat that after me. Daniel's dad is a butcher. So let's recap those 10 words that we've just looked at. We had apple, or, ballet, bosom, build, bow, bird, bargain, because, and lastly, butcher. Let's go to segment number 4 and our next 10 words. Bouquet. Bouquet. That is an attractively arranged bunch of flowers.
Diction, pronunciation, speak right to the nation. You want to know how? Please ask me now. Diction, is yeah. From A to Z, speak beautifully. Diction, is yeah. Stress button and stress times rhythm. Diction, is yeah. Proper pronunciation, beautiful intonation. Diction, is yeah. Diction, is right.